Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Syuib bin Muhammad Zawi, and my class is DLI 5B. And today I will be presenting about heat exchanger. As introduction, a heat exchanger is a device which transfers heat from one medium to another. For example, a hydraulic oil cooler will remove heat from hot oil by using cold water or air, which means that it is a device that can make the liquid or gas that you want to be hot, or you want to be it to be cool. You can use an exchanger as the device to convert the temperature of your medium. How heat exchanger work? A heat exchanger is a system used to transfer heat between two or more fluids. Heat exchangers are used in both cooling and heating process. The fluids may be separated by a solid wall to prevent mixing, or they may be in direct contact. So there are some types of heat exchanger that require the mixing of the liquid directly, and some of them are not mixing. It's cooled by separate by a wall. There are four types of heat exchanger. The first one is the double pipe heat exchanger. This is the most simplest heat exchanger used in industries. On one hand, these heat exchangers are cheap for both maintenance and design, making them the good choice for small industries. The second one is the shell and tube heat exchangers. The main constituent of this type of heat exchanger seems to be the tube box, the shell, the front rear end headers, and the baffles or the fins. So the third ones are the plate heat exchangers. A plate heat exchanger contains an amount of a thin shaped heat transfer plates, but bundled together. The gasket arrangement of each pair of plates provide two separate channel system. Each pair of plates form a channel where the fluid can flow through. And the last one is the last sorry the last one is the condenser and boilers heat exchangers. Using two-phase heat transfer system are condensers, boilers, and evaporators. Condensers are the instrument that take and cool hot gas or vapor to the point of condensation and transform the gas into a liquid form. So, okay, this for this process control drawing, uh, the steam in is the hot gas, uh, and the process fluid in is liquid. This process is want to boil the water, want to make the water hot. So the water that goes in uh, is normal temperature, but as it goes into the heat exchanger, the process fluid out will be the higher temperature, and the steam will go out through the steam out vessel down there. The advantage and disadvantage of this heat exchanger. The advantages is it is very high efficiency. The second one is the high operating pressure, and the last advantages is load pressure drop. As the disadvantage, it requires a large space because it has a very large size. Double space needed for cleaning, for maintenance, and it is difficult to clean the shell side. so it needs a professional to clean the shell side. And that's all. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.